Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is really a laser, but tricks and tips. But involved over the years, I've done several videos on how to send a proof to your customer where the logo is going to go on the cup. So first of all, you need to take a picture of the cup, and then while that is selected, go to, and I've gone over this many times, but I thought I'd add to it. And then just crop it, but get right on the line. That's probably right on there because the cup might have a plastic cup on it or a plastic edge. And then crop it. Okay, I've measured this cup, and with my ratio lock, this cup is 4.5 inches tall. 4.5. What the? My number lock was unlocked. So there's the real actual size of the cup. So we're just going to go ahead and use this one. And I sent it to the customer. We moved it around. She wanted it up and down. And I went out and ran them this morning. And it came out perfectly. So how do you transcribe this onto your rotary? Well, for just a second, we're going to make this logo a light color so we can see the X of the center of the logo. And I'm going to bring in an indexing line and have it snap to that X. It's a little bit off. Let me zoom in a little bit. Let me get the indexing line and whoop. Let me get the indexing line and move. Well, I'm moving the cup. Let me back up a couple steps to make sure we didn't mess anything up. And let's get this. Ha! Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to delete that indexing line. And I'm going to go back to my logo, and there's my X. And I'm going to bring that in and have it snap. It's actually snapping to the edge, but that's really close enough. Now you've got a graphic. So we need to know how far, and if this only works if you're using center engraving. Then you're going to take your parallel dimension tool and get right on that edge and go up to the top. And I'm actually out of the picture because I'm going to move it. I'm going to do it again. I had 1.45 earlier, but 1.42 is enough. So now you're going to put it in your laser, and you're going to just take your logo, and I have an epilogue, and I've got a red dot pointer. And when you turn on your rotary, the red dot goes to the very tip of the cup. It actually goes off this post when you put your cup in there. Then there's two ways to do it. You could lay down a ruler and jog your red dot to that point, or you can actually use the keyboard on your laser and use your joystick, and it'll tell you when you jog over 1.45 inches or 1.42 inches. Then set that as a new home and run your job. And as you can see, it's in the exact same spot as what I showed the customer. This cup's bigger than the real picture, but you can see what I'm talking about. Hopefully it made sense. So if you don't have a red dot pointer, you're going to have to go another way. You could actually probably just make you a bounding box and go off this top and center that salty logo in that bounding. I'm going to say is take a rectangle. Let's just kind of go over that. So if you do not have a red dot pointer, you're going to want to take a box and do it like right there and put it to the top of the picture. And then just have that in there, and you're going to know the distance. It's a little bit hard to explain, but most people I would think today have a red dot pointer. Very, very useful. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.